Hello, sandal lovers and comfortable summer footwear fans. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jana and this is Curves on the Road. Today, I have some shoes to show you. I went shopping and discovered some real gems. I don't know about you, but I never buy shoes online because the size means nothing there, and unlike clothing, they don't give you the parameters of your arch and all the width and everything. So buying shoes online is a big no-go. So after a year and a half, I went to buy shoes and I went a little bit crazy. First of all, if you haven't discovered this yet, I will change your life. Normal strappy sandals, right? What are you talking about? But watch this. See that? Again. For the ones in the back row, yes. Can you see the stretch? This is brilliant. When you have problems with your legs that they get swollen in summer during because of the heat, these straps have your back. They'll stretch out and they will not destroy your feet. I love them so much. And they look quite cute. You can't tell, okay, maybe with these sandals you can still tell that this is a rubber, but with the others, with some, you really can't tell. I think the shoe brands got the memo now because I went to several stores and all of them had at least one or two pairs in this style. So go check it out, you won't regret it. These ones are for Graceland and they have lovely flower at the bottom. Suede material and they are super cute. And since they are super cute, extremely light, like it's very light shoe, I bought the same ones in red. I have no red shoes and I think every girl should have a pair of shoes in red. You will envy me this pair of sandals. Ta-da! Rose gold, rose gold, rose gold. And you would say, but hey, these ones don't have the stretchy straps. Mistake. They are really still the stretchy straps. Look at that. Amazing. See? Still stretchy. I love them. They have, well, I wouldn't call it a heel, but they are not just completely flat. By the way, if you were looking for some heels, you'll have to find a different channel because I hardly ever wear heels. They're so uncomfortable. Why would I bother? Especially when I need to walk miles and miles, which I usually do when I eventually force myself to get out. So this is my option for theater or some concert in a park. Oh, Shakespeare in a park would be great. I wonder if they're doing something here in the city. I have to check it out because I want to be there. I misspoke. I did. I lied to you guys. I actually do wear heels, but only when they are extremely comfortable. And guess what? There's one company that makes those magic shoes. Are you ready? No, you're not. Okay, focus. Are you ready? All right, okay, let's try it. What do you think? They are gorgeous, they are different, they are colorful. I love them. But what I love the most is again the stretch. So it's easy to put on and they look gorgeous. But all that aside, that's unimportant. We know lots of gorgeous high heels, right? But these are the most comfortable things you can have on your feet. These are my business trip tested, meaning I spent hours and hours on feet presenting and I survived and actually walked back home in them. So if you need shoes that you can spend the whole day in and you want a bit of a heel, go for these. They are from Recare, that's the company, and they are really the best. For those of you who know me, when I find a very cute thing and they have different colors, I buy it in a different color as well. And that's the case of these shoes. And here they are in silver. I have so many dresses with the rhinestone appliques and it will look stunning with it. Look just how it looks perfectly with the necklace I'm wearing now. They are gorgeous. I think this shoe describes me completely. They are practical, they are fairly flat, and most importantly, they are extra. These are just flip-flops for a beach that I bought for my trip to Greece, and hopefully you'll get to see a lot of them from my travel vlogs. They are the cork material and yeah, they are super comfortable and even this part is not hard so it won't scratch your feet. And the last but definitely not least pair of sandals. These ones. They are pink, but on my color pink looks like, you know, skin color because my skin is sort of pink. So if you need nude sandals and you're my complexion, yeah, you can use these. And I have some pink dresses, one of them actually from Ulla Popken, that I want to start wearing, but I had no shoes that would match it. Most of my sandals were black and that clashed badly. So finally I have shoes that I can wear the dress with. Gorge. now, the most beautiful pair of shoes, well, at least definitely the pair of shoes I'm gonna wear the most in the future, are these bad boys. Yes, you know, Louboutin stopped making the red soles, they're just making the insides red. No, actually, this is Adidas, but yeah, just of course, Jana was enthusiastic that it fits the width, and I accidentally bought one size bigger shoes than I actually need. Oops, but they'll be great for gym where I don't need the grip too much, and they are very, very comfortable. Why do they make wider shoes only in the bigger sizes? I'm not even sure if these are not male. Possibly, well, I don't care. These shoes need to be comfortable and reliable, because if I travel and I have just one pair of sneakers, they better be good. The very last thing I want to show you today is not actually a shoe, but something that will make your shoes much more comfortable. If you're wearing heels or some shoes that scratch your heel at the back, maybe you should invest in these. It's basically a little piece of padding for the back of your shoes. It is sticky, so it has a sticker at the back, and you take a shoe that would normally scratch your heel and you just get it inside and stick it in, and it holds there. That's why I always advise buy half a size bigger shoe, because then it's gonna do its trick and you'll never hear of scratched heels again. So that's it. That's all the shoes I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me thumb up or a toe up, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about fashion or traveling. I upload every Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely rest of the day, and bye!